Hi guys, so I'm pretty sure I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure you remember that last video where I did that tornado video thing. So I'm gonna be showing you like what it's about and stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna show the sidebar. That's those red stuff. The red stuff and the colors right there, those are the tornadoes coming. And I also got commands because I'm in a private server. So we're gonna do spawn EF5. There it is. Okay, there it comes. The biggest one right there is the EF5. Speaking of that, we should probably oh yeah, the Twizzix. I'm honestly not sure how to say the name, but I know him. R.I.P. How close are they? They're starting to get close. Alright. We should probably start getting a car now because they're heading over here. I'm gonna choose this one. The car. I don't even know if this is a car that actually like works and stuff. I'm sorry. Alright, how close are they? Guys, they're starting to get close. And we're gonna go chase one. We're going to go chase one. Sorry, I'm usually bad at driving cars and on Roblox. We're starting to get close to it a little bit. I just checked the map right now. We're also going to be doing commands. Whoa. Where are the tornadoes? Okay, why am I even going over here? I'm sorry. Why am I even going over here? Where are they? I'm at... I do not know. Wait, I'm at the neighborhood. Wait, how did I get all the way over here? No. How did I go all the way over there? We're gonna go find a tornado. Bro! Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go find a tornado. That leads to nothing. Where even am I though? There's a tornado over there. I see wind. There's a tornado right there. There's a tornado right there. That's an EF5. We're gonna try not to get caught by it this time. I'm gonna go as fast as I can. A Twizzix T. Oh my goodness. What am I even doing? We gotta go, guys. We have to go. Let me check the radar. It's coming. We got to go. But look how big it is. My God. But I think the tornado's chasing us. I think the tornado's chasing us. My goodness. Sorry guys if you think this video is kind of boring, because a few of my friends have been saying the game is boring, so I'm sorry if you think this video is boring. Why did I... No! Why did I go over here? Alright, so later in this video, we're gonna go get a stronger vehicle if I get caught. That can hold up to 200 plus. With the miles per hour. Of how much wind picks up. It's going over there for some reason. Oh. Why is there so much wind? There's a tornado right there, and that's an EF5. Sorry, but I never asked for this. Oh wait, I think it's because I spawned the freaking EF5. I'm using the commands right there. It's going away. Guys, it's going away, don't worry. It's going away, don't worry. Come on. My fault for spawning that tornado. Is it going? It looks like it. Guys, I'm totally now wondering why it's still there. Okay, why am I keep putting my camera in the trees? Wait, why did it go off the map? Oh wait, never mind, it did not. It looks like it's going to go off the map. Wait, it already gone off the map. It already gone off the map, did it? I'm gonna go check. Is it? Did it? It disappeared. Oh, there's another one coming. We should probably turn back around. I wonder where am I right now, though? I'm at the neighborhood. Alright, so we're gonna go to the plant life, I guess. To see if I could, let me see if I can actually find it this time. Because sometimes it's confusing. It's sometimes confusing every time I like try to find the area of the plant life. Oh, there's 3 of them coming. Oh my god. What am I even doing? Oh my god. Woo! I'm gonna turn around. That's another tornado right there. They're coming. Oh no, they're coming in the area that I'm coming in. My goal is to survive. Okay, why am I keep crashing into trees? I'm sorry. Ooh, there's a tornado. And after when I feel like getting caught, we're going to do commands, okay? We are going to be doing commands. Hello? No! I'm not supposed to go over here! Guys, I accidentally went the wrong way and I have to go back. No. They're coming. Oh my god. 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 Tornadoes. Oh my god. Tornadoes. Oh, I just did a spin. I just, what did I say? I did a 360. I did a 360. Tornadoes are coming. We have to go this way. Come on! I cannot find it. Okay, please stop crashing into trees. We have to go this way. Let me check the radar again. They're coming. Bro, I'm keep crashing into trees. I keep crashing into trees. I keep crashing into trees. Anyways, I need to go over here so I can die. I want to die alone. Come on, where's the tornadoes? No. Come on. Oh, never mind. Go. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you what it's like once you get caught by a tornado in this game, okay? So we're going to spawn on EF5 again. Spawn EF5. Look, watch. Once I press it, you will see stuff back here in this area. Alright, so, and there we go, I spawned it. Now it's right there. Gonna come from the plant life right there to over there, and then to that way, I think. To that way, and then probably this way, I think. Alright, so we're gonna go find it, and I'll show you what it's like to get caught by it. So we're gonna go turn around again. And then we're gonna go in the tornado. We're gonna go in it. Hope my screen doesn't get laggy. Because sometimes every time when I get caught by them, my screen gets like broken. The screen gets broken every time. Come on, where are you? I cannot find it. But we're gonna keep looking. I came here to die. Excuse me. Tornado, where are you? I came here to die. Why is it just a field of grass? I cannot find. Oh wait, never mind. I found it now. Guys, I found it. We're gonna go in it. We're gonna go in it. Come on. Yes! Anyways. There we go. Come on. Guys, honestly, my screen is not freaking broken again. This is the Twizzx. Getting thrown. That was the Twizzx. I'm not sure how to say his name. That's when he dies, once he was in the tornado and then getting thrown out. Alright guys, oh, I'm sorry. Alright, now we will be doing the commands this time, okay? So yeah! Alright, so this is day 2. Hello? Anyways, so we're gonna be doing fly me. So we're gonna be going all the way up there to see how, so I can show you how freaking big it is. It's sometimes scary. And why are there 2 EF5 tornadoes? Is there 2? Hello? Hello? Can I go up here? Yes, I can. Alright, so guys, I'm going to be showing you how big these things are. See if I can get on top of them. Or is it endless? Oh, never mind, we can. Wait, hello? It's pretty fast. It's usually pretty fast. But like, holy shoot, it's like pretty big. Like once I like started playing it, it was like super big. I was like a little scared. Anyways, we're gonna go back to the bottom. We're gonna go back to the bottom. If I can. This is hard for me to see. Guys, it's hard for me to see. Hello? Oh wait, now I see it. Now I see it. Alright. So yeah, if we go to the sidebar right here, we can, I'm gonna go ahead and rejoin. Alright, so I just rejoined. Sorry about that. I kinda my screen got broken for a second. I could not move for some reason. So we're gonna be redoing this again. Alright, so as you see the radar, there is an EF5 coming right there. So we're gonna be doing speed 20. And that's how fast you can bring them. But, oh my god. It was like, hello, bye. And they're just heading for the end again. Alright, so, we're gonna spawn EF5. And they're coming. They're coming. Okay, what was that? I didn't understand what that was. But okay. So we're gonna wait until like a few spawn. And then we're gonna stop the time so we can take a good look at them. There's one coming, but it's not coming to the pant. I think that's how you say it. Now we're gonna spawn EF4. Come on, I know you're coming. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on, it didn't even come. Come on, I know you see me here. You know you see me here? Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Alright, now we're gonna spawn on EF3. Spawn EF3. I'm gonna stop time once they come. I, for some reason, cannot see them. So I have an idea, guys. We are going to spawn EF3 and then stop time. And there we go. Alright, now I stop time. As you see, they're not moving anymore. So we're gonna look at them. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. This is an EF3. This is an EF3. Oh, I went inside. So yeah, it's still pretty huge, yes, but not as huge as the EF5 though. Also, why is my screen so blurry? Why is it so far? Never mind. Anyways, yes, this is the EF3 tornado. So now we're going to be doing resume time. Huh? Why are they not moving? Oh, never mind. I kind of want to show you the EF4 though. Because it's like not really like, you know. Why is that one stuck? But that's fine. Alright, let's see if we can find it. So yeah, I already showed you the EF3 tornado right there. Let's see if we can find the EF4. So, let me check where it is. It's like somewhere like in the grass. It's like, hello? I think we might gonna have to go back and spawn another one. Cause I cannot find it. I cannot find it. Alright. Resume time. Resume time. Okay, I got it. This is the EF4 tornado. I got it finally. This is the EF4 tornado. It's still pretty huge. God, you guys can barely see it. Oh, now you guys can. This is the EF4 tornado. Alright. Bye. Alright, so, what was gonna do again? Hello? Why is there so many? Oh, wait, what was in my face? What just went in my face? What was that? We did EF4, EF3, we did not do EF2. Spawn EF2. It won't come over here. EF2. The reason why I keep saying the same thing is because it's like not really like come over here. Alright, so they're kind of like apart from each other. So we're gonna go see the EF2 tornado. I think it's like somewhere over here. Oh, there it is. This is the EF2 tornado. As you can see, it's like pretty similar to the EF3. Except it has those like spiky parts at the... Okay, I'm sorry. Why does it keep doing that? I think I gotta get back a little bit, I think. So yeah, this is the EF2 tornado. And now we're gonna resume time. And now we got EF1. Hello? Where's the tornado? Wait. Oh, the EF3 tornado's gone finally. Yay. Or now that the EF2 tornado is stuck now. Anyways, now we're gonna do an EF1. Spawn EF1. We need to like spawn EF1 again. Sorry guys, it's like it's like pretty quick, that's the problem. Stop time. Alright, it should be across the EF2. Let me see if I can find the EF2. Alright, so that's the EF2. It should be around over here. Oh, there it is. This is the EF1 tornado. It's pretty similar to the EF2. It also has little spikes at the bottom. I'm not even sure why I'm saying spikes, but it has like a similar form to it, just skinnier, that's all. And we're gonna spawn the EF0. And yes, you might think it might be nothing but air, but it's still a kind of a tornado. But it's okay. I'm sorry. What am I saying? Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm sorry. As I was saying, it's a little bit weaker. It's a little bit weaker than the other tornadoes. Okay. Why did my face look like that? Anyways, we're gonna resume time. Oh, we got some tornadoes coming. Oh, yeah. Alright, so the EF0 is the white circle. So we're gonna spawn EF0. Stop time. It should be around the EF2 again. See if I could find the EF2 tornado again. Hello? I I think I might have lost the tornado. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna have to spawn another one. We're gonna spawn another one because I cannot find it for some reason. So resume time. Okay, why do we got two tornadoes right next to each other? We got two tornadoes right next to each other right here. So, we are going to... Wait a minute. Hold on a second. I think I was tripping. I think I'm tripping. I swear, I think I'm tripping. Because I cannot find it. I don't even know where I am right now, honestly. I spawned right here, I think. And if I go up, I think I went over here. I think I went over here. I'm sorry, I think I'm gonna have to pause the video. So, I found it. And I had to look all over the map just for you guys to show you what the EF0 tornado looks like. And this is what it looks like. Still pretty big, but except it looks like a normal common tornado. There's no like stuff at the bottom and stuff. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, we are alright. And God, there's so many tornadoes. Oh, we got an EF5 coming. We got an EF5 coming. Hello. Okay, why am I even saying hello? Anyways, this is the end of this video. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hello. Alright, bye.